Hello students, let's review your past lesson. It's letter R. Rabbit, rabbit. R is for rabbit. Rain, rain. R is for rain. Rainbow, rainbow. R is for rainbow. Ring, ring. R is for ring. Rose, rose. R is for rose. Rocket, rocket. R is for rocket.